Hello, my name is Isaac Gottlieb, and what we are going to cover in this course, Introduction to Modeling in Excel for Decision Makers, is some efficiency skills, many decision-making skills, which I'm going to explain. What I want you to do is to please download all the Excel files so you have them handy when we run the different sessions. You'll also have a copy of the Excel file after the session or post the session. What you can use almost all the Excel types, and I'm also going to cover different shortcuts or if things are different for the Mac. In part 1 we are going to talk about Excel efficiency. We'll cover the AutoFill, how to select efficiently using shortcuts, formulas, functions, different kinds of addressing, relative addressing, absolute addressing, how to name cells and ranges, and how to use simple, complicated charts and the Sparklines. Part 2 is going to be short. We are going to talk about the if function, text manipulation, and something that looks a little bit like artificial intelligence, the flash fill. In part 3 we are going to cover all the statistics features of Excel. We'll cover descriptive statistics, all the different functions, frequency distributions. We are going to use the data analysis tool pack, which is an Excel add-in. We are also going to cover regressions and how to fit formulas to curves. Part 4 is the what if analysis. We'll have 3 different things: the goal seek, the data table sensitivity analysis, and to go beyond the 2 dimensions that Excel allows you to go with, we are going to use scroll bars for sensitivity analysis, and then we are going to go over break-even point review example for the what if analysis. In part 5 we are going to cover the VLOOKUP, simple VLOOKUP for range lookup and exact match, and then we are going to also go over the 3rd dimension, which is in a way summing a number of sheets into a total one. Part 6 is about data and data mining. We'll cover sorting data, AutoFilter, subtotals, group and outline, and we're going to go into pivot tables from simple to very complicated ones. I hope you enjoy the course, and thank you.